Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Life School. In today's lesson, we are going to learn numbers in Uzbek language from 0 to 1000. Numbers are very important because we use them for age, time, prices, and daily conversations. So let's start step by step. Let's begin with the basic numbers 0 to 10. Nol. Nol. Nol means 0. Bir. Bir. One. İki. İki. Two. Üç. Üç. Three. Dört. Dört. Four. Beş. Beş. Five. Altı. Altı. Six. Yedi. Yedi. Seven. Sekiz. Sekiz. Eight. Dokuz. Dokuz. Nine. On. On. Ten. Good job, everyone. Now listen carefully. In Uzbek language, numbers from 11 to 19 are very easy. You just say on, which means 10, plus the number. For example, 11 is on bir. On is 10, and we add 1. On bir. 10 plus the number. On bir, 11. On iki. On iki, 12. 13. 13, 13. 14. 14, 14. 15. 15, 15. 16. 16, 16. 17. 17, 17. 18. 18, 18. 19. 19, 19. Yigirma, 20. Okay, now let's learn tens. Yigirma, yigirma, 20. Otuz, otuz, 30. Kırk, kırk, 40. Ellik, ellik, 50. Altmış, altmış, 60. Yetmiş, yetmiş, 70. Seksen, seksen, 80. Doksan, doksan, 90. Okay? Now I will show you something very important. In Uzbek language, building numbers is very simple. You just say tens plus number. For example, yigirma bir, yigirma bir, 21. Yigirma iki, yigirma iki, 22. Yigirma beş, yigirma beş, 25. Otuz beş, otuz beş, 35. Kırk yedi, kırk yedi, 47. Ellik sekiz, ellik sekiz, 58. Okay, now let's use numbers in real life like age. Neçe yaştasız? Neçe yaştasız? How old are you? Ben 25 yaştaman. I am 25 years old. Men 25 yaştaman. Or prices. Bu neç pul? Bu neç pul? How much is this? 20 dollar. 20 dollar. $20. You can use also phone numbers. You can say numbers one by one, like 9, 1, 7, like 9, 7, 1. Okay, now let's learn 100. 100, yüz. 100. Okay, we want to say 100, yüz. or bir yüz. Both are correct. Yüz. 200. 200. 200. 300. 300. 300. 400. 400. 400. 500. 500. 500. 600. 600. 600. 700. 700. 700. 800. 800. 800. 900. 900. 900. Okay. You just add numbers after use, like 101 is yüz bir, or bir yüz bir, or 110, 110, 110, or 125, 125, 125. Okay. Again, number plus use plus rest. For example, 215. 215. 348. 348. 999. 999. Okay. Ming. Ming. Ming is thousand. Ming. Okay. Ming. Ming yüz. 1100. Ming 250. 1250. Ming 250. In Uzbek language, numbers are very logical. You just combine hundreds, tens, and ones. Like examples. Okay, great job everyone. Now you can count in Uzbek language from 0 to 1000. Practice every day and try use the numbers in real life conversations. In the next lesson, we are going to learn days of the week and time in Uzbek language. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue learning with Modern Life School. See you in the next video.